Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 11th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Imagine a room that traders could go to where they would all trade the same system, and they knew that system had done fabulously over a 20-year period. And the day they start the trading, over 100 traders show up. They are anticipating to make some really good money with such a good system. And the first day of trading, keep in mind everybody has to trade the same way. Well, they show a lot of losses. And they're told that they could come back tomorrow if they want. So next day, about 50 traders show up. And again, they get slammed, lose quite a bit of money, and leave. Next day, the third day, there's only about 20 left in the room. And again, they lose money. And then by the fourth day, there's only 2 or 3 traders left that come into that room to trade. They're the real contrarian investors. They haven't been spooked by all these losses. And so on that day, the markets open up and explode. And those 2 or 3 traders make up all their losses from the past 3 days plus little. And that, my friends, is exactly the pattern I've seen happen over and over again. The markets are going to punish people if there's too many people that get on a system, get on an idea, get on a certain strategy. Market's going to make them lose money until the majority, the great majority of those abandon that system, that idea, or that strategy. And that has been going on for as long as there have been markets. Unfortunately, that is what is happening to us right now, and it's frustrating, and I urge you to have patience. It's an old pattern. It's happened to me time and time again, and the fact that I'm still here after 20 years and putting up with this is why I have made really good money. Anyway, today was not the day to make money. We lost closed out over $10,000 in losing trades, and we are carrying open trade equity of negative 1162 going into tomorrow. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 129 points today. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see back here, 4 days ago, we had this great pop-up, flattened out at the top, came down a little, and today it was kind of like a real rush to the downside. No hesitation here at all. It just plunged right from the opening bar. Closed down 129 points. Hey, actually, I kind of like to see this because I think when this turns around, it's going to be very powerful, and it's going to be healthy that it's had this correction in here. Let me show you. I have absolutely no good trades to show you. I'll show you the two, what's happening day after day. Today we had a trade in 3D systems, and we had bought this yesterday. It went up very nicely. We were holding a nice profit, and this morning on the open, the thing just screamed. And up here on top, we're up over $3,000. Does it hold? No. It completely craps out, and by the time we get out, we have a negative trade. So, not very good for us there. That's the same pattern that we have seen the last 3 or 4 days. I'll show you another. It's just the same pattern again. This one is in GDX. That's gold mining stock. We bought this a couple days ago. It did a nice screaming job of getting up there, It was actually still profitable yesterday, but when we see this kind of action, we hang on to it, anticipating we're going to see more, possibly more profits on the third day. Well, today was the third day, and the thing just failed. And we ended up, I think, we went from being up about over $3,000 to getting out with about $400 in profit. Very disappointing. As I say, we're in this room, and there's not going to be many traders left in this room tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be our day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.